Ladies and gentlemen, today, I want to talk about the fascinating world of prompts, particularly in the context of artificial intelligence and language models. Prompts are the initial inputs or questions you provide to an AI to generate a response. They are the starting point of any interaction with an AI system, and crafting effective prompts can significantly enhance the quality and relevance of the output. What is a prompt? A prompt is essentially a question or statement that guides the AI in generating a response. It can be as simple as asking for a definition or as complex as requesting a detailed analysis of a topic. The effectiveness of a prompt lies in its clarity, specificity, and context. Why are prompts important? Prompts are crucial because they set the tone and direction of the AI's response. A well-crafted prompt can lead to insightful, accurate, and relevant information, while a poorly crafted one can result in vague or irrelevant outputs. In essence, the quality of the prompt directly influences the quality of the AI's response. Best practices for crafting effective prompts: be specific. The more specific your prompt, the better the AI can understand and respond accurately. For example, instead of asking "tell me about climate change," you could ask, "what are the primary causes of climate change and their impacts?" Provide context. Context helps the AI understand the background and nuances of your query. For instance, explain the impact of climate change on polar bears in the Arctic region. Ask clear questions. Ensure your questions are clear and unambiguous. Avoid using jargon or overly complex language unless necessary. Use examples. If you're looking for a specific type of response, provide examples. For instance, give me a list of 5 renewable energy sources and explain how each works. Be concise. While specificity is important, avoid overly long prompts. Keep it concise and to the point. Examples of effective prompts: informative prompt. What are the key differences between renewable and non-renewable energy sources? Creative prompt. Write a short story about a future where renewable energy has solved all environmental problems. Analytical prompt. Analyze the impact of electric vehicles on the reduction of carbon emissions. Comparative prompt. Compare and contrast the energy efficiency of solar panels and wind turbines. Conclusion. In conclusion, crafting effective prompts is an art that can greatly enhance your interactions with AI. By being specific, providing context, asking clear questions, using examples, and being concise, you can unlock the full potential of AI systems. Whether you're seeking information, creative inspiration, or analytical insights, a well-crafted prompt is the key to getting the best possible response. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this has given you a better understanding of the importance of prompts in the world of AI.